Let me hide this. Go to assembly, select the new component, rename this to footpad, press OK. Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, click here in the midpoint, make a square here, 20 millimeters by 20 millimeters, press OK. Select the circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 6.5 millimeters, finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile here, the direction symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance 20 millimeters. Press OK. Now go to create a sketch, select this face here, select line, make a triangle here. This point of the triangle must be in the center of this line here. Okay, go to constraint, select perpendicular, select these two lines here, and go to constraint again, select equal, and select these two lines. Okay, go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and this point here is 2.5 millimeters, and the distance between this point here and this point here is 1.5 millimeters. Now go to create, select the rectangular pattern. The object is the triangle. The quantity is 3, distribution spacing, the distance 6 millimeters. We have this, press OK. Finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this 3 triangle here. Direction one side, extended type all. Operation cut, flip this, press OK. Now go to create, select the pattern, circular pattern. The object type is the features, the object is the cut. The axis here is this axis here, okay. Quantity 2, distribution partial, the angle 90 degrees. Press OK. We have this. Now go to modify, select chamfer, select this edge here and this edge here. The chamfer here is 0.15 millimeters. Press OK. We have this, okay. Active the manual clamp, copy this and paste new. Move a little bit. Okay. Now show the other component here. Go to assembly, select joint, select this edge here, and select this inside edge. Okay, the motion here is revolute. Position here, move this a little bit, minus 0.25 millimeters. Press OK. Okay. Now go to joint again, select this edge here and this inside edge here. Move this 0.25 millimeters, press OK. Let me fix this. Okay. Go to assembly, joint, select this face here and this face here. The motion here, planar. Press OK. Let me unpin this. Okay. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and bye bye. See you in the next video.